Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! It's about 3 a.m. And yeah, we're pretty drunk. Fuck yeah. It's time to do, oh, more lights. It's time to do a crazy drunken review. But before we start doing our crazy drunken review, we're gonna get uncanny with a fucking Carling lager. Brewed in Canada. Made in Canada. Brewed. 4.9%. Drink up, buttercup. Tonight we're going to do a review on President's Choice White Cheddar Deluxe Macaroni and Cheese Dinner. So it's pretty basic. It's like crap dinner, only it's white cheddar. Mode de preparation, I don't read French. Is that mode de preparation H? Look out. So we're cooking this. Water is starting to boil. Cook uncovered for 7 minutes. Add a tablespoon of non-hydrogenated margarine. I have that, but fuck it. We'll put a tablespoon of butter, non-salted butter, and 75 milliliters of skim milk. Skim milk. No, I don't even have any milk. Haven't been able to get to the store, so we're gonna use some half and half cream. That'll work. Mix all the shit together and serve immediately. So I've never had this before. This was recommended to me by a friend of mine. She said it's really good, and I said, yeah, I'll try it, but never thought I was going to do a video of it. But so here you go. We got a lot of mac and cheese boxes coming up. Boxes. Normally I don't buy boxed mac and cheese. I either make mac and cheese from scratch, or in a pinch I go to the bulk barn and I just buy that orange cheese powder shit and make my own like that. So here we go. Fucking rights.
Where's my fucking beer?
Right here, bitches. Where's MMT? Cheers, bitches. Okay, move the camera. Water boiling. You know, I'm not going to show you the whole fucking thing. You don't know how to make that, then go home. One thing though, you can do it in the microwave. I'm not doing it in the microwave. Fuck that shit. RTFO, my folks. Alright, bitchy McBitch nuts, here we go. We got a new Carling. We got our finest Royal Dalton China. Cheers, big ears. True that. There you go. And I know nobody cares about that, but it's a thing for Mrs. Bouquet or Bucket from the show Keeping Up Appearances. Look it up. We have to have our finest Royal Dalton. There you go, that's good enough. For a taste-a-roo, it's taste-terrific. Let's get a fork. Whatever the fuck a fork is, it's over here. Alright. So, the President's Choice White Cheddar Deluxe Macaroni and Cheese Dinner. Looks like that on the box. Well, looks like that in my dish. Let's give her a taste-a-roo. That's good. It's not like crap dinner. It has its own unique flavor. And look, I'm even eating with my wrong hand.
Well, it's good to be back in Shawinigan. It's good to see all you homebrewers here tonight.
That's good. I did get it on sale. I can't remember what I paid for it. It was like $1.25 or some fucking thing. Yeah, but you had to buy like 3 of them. If we bought them on our own, it was like $1.79. So I bought 3 of them. And if they weren't any good, I was going to give the other 2 to the food bank. Nope, that's all right. Would I buy this again? Yes. Yeah. Thank you, Jessica. You made a good recommendation. Okay. This is without adding anything. You have my honest review. Okay. Let's bastardize it. I would give that 4 out of 5. If we're on a kind of scale, I don't know. I don't measure on a scale, but I would buy that again. Hey, look, a pepper. A little bit of salt. There you go. Mix that around. We're not done yet. You can't have mac and cheese without fucking ketchup. Because if you don't have ketchup on your mac and cheese, you're probably fucked in your head. I know I am, but I still have ketchup on my mac and cheese. Better. French's ketchup. Fuck yeah. It's weird eating with my right hand as opposed to my left hand. Just easier to do at this moment. Looks like that now. Oh, fuck, that's good. Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah. Elbow shot. Yeah, that's fucking good. Well, if you live in Canada and you have access to PC products, buy this. This is good. My friend did not steer me wrong. This is very good. for a box fucking meal. Alright, bitch. You've seen me eat long enough. Cheers, big ears. Go get wrecked. Drink beer. Drink vodka. Get high. Whatever you want to do. Cook food. Be a drunk cook or a stoner cook. And have a great fucking day. Drink up, buttercup. Keep on rocking to the free fucking world, bitches. Woo! RTFO.